Create a parametric form for the line which is orthogonal to the plane x minus 2y plus 5z equals 11 and passes through the point 7, 1, 1. Okay, so we want parametric form, which means each of the components, x, y, and z, will get their own separate equation. Okay. Now, if we imagine the scenario we have a plane here. We have a point, 7, 1, 1, and we want a line that passes through here and goes perpendicular to the plane. Now, we can read off 7, 1, 1. They become constants in our equation here, but like point parallel and 2-point form, we'll probably need to, at some point, work with a direction vector here. This direction vector is going to run along the line, so it's also perpendicular to the plane, but we have a name for vectors perpendicular to the plane. Normal vectors are perpendicular to the plane. So the direction vector for the line is also a normal vector for the plane. Now, if we go back to our plane, it was x, I think minus 2y plus 5z is 11. Let's check. Yep, there it is. And so we can read off from there a normal vector. 1, negative 2, 5. Okay? So this is normal. The direction vector we seek is normal. So in fact, you could take this normal vector here to be your direction vector. You could also take any scalar multiple of it as well. You don't have to just copy the 1, negative 2, 5. Scalar multiples of this would work as well. But if we're lazy, we just say, okay, my direction vector could just be that normal. Okay, the direction vector needs to be perpendicular to the plane. I know that this normal is perpendicular to the plane, and now its coefficients, its coordinates become the coefficients for t. So we get 7 plus 1t, 1 minus 2t, and 1 plus 5t, and there is a fantastic parametric form for this line. Of course, as I occasionally try and remind you, any scalar multiple of this normal would work, so another equally good answer might multiply this normal vector by 2, and so my direction vector would be 2, negative 4, 10. And so we get 2t's minus 4t's plus 10t's. That also represents this line. They're both perfectly good. This is the easier one to see, but any scalar multiple will do, and you want to remember